We turn the May from the spring into love, and it grows, boy, even when the sky is gray, and it shows, boy, even on a cloudy day.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today we are going to be installing this unit, and we're going to be talking about some pros, cons, the details of it, and I'm going to do a little comparison with another wig that I got from a different company, but it was very similar to this wig. Anyways, first things first, this unit is from, I believe it's pronounced Kai. Let me look at it while I'm telling y'all this. How you say this, babe? Kriya. Obviously, it's going to be in the title, and then the company's information is going to be down in the description box. So this is their 3x4 straight texture, and it's a lace front wig. It's honey blonde highlights, and it's 150% density, and it's 24 inches. Now, I will say I thought this was 180% density. So I'm completely shocked that it is 150, and it looks like really good. I even like the density for it being straight and 150. Like, I'm actually shook. This is an average cap size, and I will tell you guys that cap size fits in every area except ear to ear, okay? So it is about like a centimeter off on each side. But if you wanted to do sideburns or anything like that, baby hairs, you can definitely finesse it. It's not anything that, you know, is going to grab someone's attention, even with your hair pulled up, if you do have your baby hair sideburns down. With that being said, I do baby hairs because this lace is so good. Oh my god, the lace is so good. I have been just getting bomb laces lately, and I'm just really appreciative of it, okay? So I did not do baby hairs, but the lace is just a tad bit lighter than, you know, what I'm comfortable like blending in with my skin tone. I definitely had to finesse it. I had to put some of my foundation powder. I did end up plucking the hairline, of course, and then I put my concealer in the parting space, and then I went ahead and trimmed my bangs. So the hair feels super soft. It feels like it's light, it's airy. It's not silky whatsoever. It does have more of a texture, which I think is going to really help hold a curl. Okay, so I am going to curl this hair in another video, but I really do have high hopes that this one's gonna hold a curl, okay, and it's gonna curl easily, okay, easy. Now, if I curl this hair and it don't keep a curl, oh, I'm gonna be tight. I'm gonna be so tight up here, okay. This is where my hopes and expectations is right up here, okay, forehead level. I also really like how the highlights are all in the crown area going all the way to the back, and it's not just like the peekaboo highlights that come like on the side of your hairline and then right at the front, like right here. That's about all I have to say. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye!